In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find AliExpress dropshipping product videos. Alright, so here we are on AliExpress. Now what you want to do is simply go to the product that you want to do this with, alright? So I'm going to show you two different products. So this is the first one. What you want to do is find the title, so the title of the product, and then copy it. So I'm going to use the first part of this keyword phrase and then copy it. If you then go to Google and then simply search for it, click enter, and then click on the videos, so the video section from Google, they will show you all of these direct links to videos from that specific product, which is awesome. So we've got this one right there, we've got this one, and we've got this one. So you can then find different links to product videos. So this is one of them. So if I then click play, we can see that this is indeed a product video. Let's see if that actually loads. But is it, I'm pretty sure it's the exact same one, or is it not? Let's see. Slim skin. Right, so it might be a different product. So in this case, this might not be the best example. But if we'll go to this one right there, that's indeed the same one, right? Yep, there we go. So this is the same product. As you guys can see right there, you've then got the video. You can do save video as, and that's how you can find product videos. That's pretty simple to do actually. What you can also do is simply go to YouTube. So we'll also go to YouTube just like that, and then simply type in the keyword or the title of your product on here. Just like that, click enter, and then you'll also see all of these results. What you can then do is filter on view count or video length or upload date, and you'll see all of these videos. Now, not all of them are suitable, but stuff like this are actually, I mean, this is actually good. You can see that these are actually the same. Let's see, are we getting see an ad? No, we're not, because it's not monetized. But if you then simply skip through, you'll find videos on here. This might only be images, but you get the point. Now let's also try that with the, let's see, is this the same one? Yep, also showing up right here. Although it's a slightly different brand name, but the product is the same. So you'll be able to find related products that you might also want to dropship as well. If you go to this one, once again, you simply copy the title. Let's go to Google, paste, enter, click videos, and then once again, you'll find all of these. So if I then click right there, you just want to click on a few of the links, and then you'll find videos. All right. Just like that, and then right there we can see the black one, and there we go. So yeah, that's pretty much how you can do this, guys. I hope this video helps you out. If it does, then make sure you go ahead and leave a like on the video. That would help me out. I would appreciate that, and then I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.